How to introduce yourself in French. Most learners know French words, but freeze when it's time to actually introduce themselves. The truth is, introducing yourself in French is simple. It's just a few everyday sentences you can use anywhere. Bonjour and welcome back to Airlearn French. Today we're doing something incredibly useful. We're learning how to introduce yourself in French, formally and informally. You'll learn exactly what to say to start a good conversation, to make a good impression, and to sound natural, whether you're meeting friends, classmates, or colleagues. And if you want to practice these introductions with audio and get instant feedback on your pronunciation, the Airlearn app is perfect. You can listen, repeat, and even play out full conversations like a real-life French speaker. Let's begin. Informal introductions. Meeting friends in casual situations. French people keep it simple. Salut, je m'appelle Ingrid. Hi, I'm Ingrid. Enchantée. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Salut, je m'appelle, and then your first name. Then say Enchantée to show that you're happy to meet someone. For example, Salut, je m'appelle Diana. Enchantée. See how easy that is? You've just introduced yourself casually. Formal introductions, meeting someone respectful or professional in formal situations. French people adjust their greetings and include their full name. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ingrid Dubois. Good morning, I'm Ingrid Dubois. Enchantée de faire votre connaissance. Nice to meet you. Notice the changes? Salut, bonjour. First name only. Full name, enchantée. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. And vous replaces tu to be polite and formal. For example, bonjour, je m'appelle Ingrid Dubois. Enchantée de faire votre connaissance. Key differences between informal and formal. Here's what's important to remember. Greeting, salut, is casual. Bonjour is formal. Name, first name for casual, full name for formal. Politeness, tu, informal, vous, formal. Ending, enchanté, casual, enchanté de faire votre connaissance, formal. A tip. Using the correct form immediately makes a great impression on French speakers. Let's do a quick practice. Try saying both versions out loud. Casual. Salut, je m'appelle. Enchantée. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Enchantée de faire votre connaissance. Repeat a few times. This builds confidence and muscle memory. Cultural insight. In France, it's common to shake hands when introducing yourself formally. If you're unsure which form to use, by default, go to formal. Bonjour, full name, enchanté de faire votre connaissance. You'll always be polite. And remember, French people will be impressed if you use the right sentences in the right situation. Next steps. Once you've mastered introductions, you can move on to other basics. Saying thank you and please. Asking simple questions and talking about where you're from. These phrases will help you start conversations and make connections in real life. À bientôt, bisous bisous, and I'll see you in the next lesson.